announced a plan to train 3,000 foreign law enforcement officers over the next year. This initiative is part of the Global Security Initiative introduced by President Xi Jinping in 2022. The GSI seeks to reshape global security governance in collaboration with other nations. Last year, China trained 2,700 officers from various countries. This time, the program will involve law enforcement agencies from 122 countries and international organizations, including Malaysia, Myanmar, Pakistan, and Interpol. China will also send police consultants and working units abroad to boost local law enforcement, conduct joint patrols, and address cross-border crimes. Public Security Minister Wang Xiaong highlighted that this training will help countries enhance their law enforcement quickly and effectively. But what is behind China's move? Well, experts believe that with this move, China is positioning itself as an alternative to Western approaches, showcasing its influence and security initiatives. But what are the concerns? Well, China's training programs for foreign police have faced criticism, particularly from human rights organizations. There are concerns about the authoritarian techniques reportedly taught to foreign police, especially in Africa, where China's investments through the Belt and Road Initiative have been growing. Moreover, some reports suggest that the training sessions focus on protecting Chinese commercial interests rather than promoting border security. So, what could be the future impact? Well, the Global Security Initiative has already helped establish numerous one-on-one security pacts, particularly with emerging countries in Africa and the Indo-Pacific area. Therefore, China's plan has the potential to change global security dynamics.